Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how complete beginners can make up to $100 a day using only free AI tools. Because right now, AI is helping thousands of people earn money, even if they have zero experience and zero investment. You don't need skills, you don't need clients, and you don't need any professional software. Every method in this video works worldwide, and anyone can start today. So stay with me until the end, because the last method is the easiest and it pays the fastest. This is MoneyMaster, and if you enjoy practical earning guides, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment AI Money so I know you want more tutorials. Method 1. AI Writing Service. The first way to make $100 a day is by using AI to write content for people. Thousands of businesses need simple content like blog posts, product descriptions, email copies, scripts, and social media captions. Step 1. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Search for blog writing or product description writing. You will see sellers charging $20, $40, even $100 for a single order. Step 2. When a client gives you a topic, open ChatGPT and paste this. Write an informative, SEO-friendly blog post on this topic, around 800 words, simple and helpful tone. In seconds, the entire article is ready. Step 3. Deliver the article in a clean Google Doc. Most AI writers complete an order in 15 to 20 minutes. Even if you get just 3 small orders per day at $30 each, you make $90 daily, almost $100, with very little effort. Method 2. AI Thumbnails and Graphics. The second method is creating thumbnails and social media graphics using AI tools like Bing Image Creator, Leonardo AI, and Canva AI. Millions of creators need thumbnails for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads. On Fiverr, search for YouTube thumbnail. You'll see prices from $10 to $50 per thumbnail. Simple process. A client gives you a title, you generate an AI image, you open Canva, add bold text and a clean layout, and you deliver the final design in 10 minutes. Make 4 thumbnails daily at $25 each. That's $100 a day. Method 3. AI voiceovers. The third method is creating voiceovers using free AI voice tools like TTS Maker, Clipchamp, or 11 Labs free tier. People need voiceovers for TikTok videos, ads, podcasts, and YouTube content. Many creators don't want to use their own voice, and that's where you come in. On Fiverr, search AI voiceover. You'll find sellers charging $15 for 30 seconds and $30 to $60 for 2 minutes. If you complete just 2 to 3 voiceovers daily, you can easily make $50 to $120 a day, and your AI tool does all the talking for you. Method 4. AI Shorts and Reels packages. Short videos are the biggest trend right now. You can create AI-generated shorts for motivation, facts, finance, and storytelling channels. Tools you need: ChatGPT for script, Pexels for free footage, CapCut templates, and TTS Maker voiceover. On Fiverr, sellers offer short video packages. 10 shorts for $40 to $80, 20 shorts for $100 to $150. One client, one project, and your entire daily income is done. This is one of the fastest ways to reach $100 a day using free AI tools. Method 5. AI Resume and Cover Letter Builder. The final method is creating resumes and cover letters using AI. People in the US, UK, and Canada are constantly applying for jobs, and they need professional resumes. You can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini for this service. paste, rewrite this resume in a clean, modern, professional format, and write a strong cover letter for this job description. On Fiverr, resume editors charge $20, $35, and even $50 per resume. Just 2 orders per day equals $70 to $100 daily, and again, AI does most of the work. So these were the top 5 ways to make $100 a day using only free AI tools. All of these methods are beginner-friendly, require zero investment, and can be done from your phone or laptop. Comment below which method you want to start first. And if you want me to create a complete video pack, including full script, voiceover text, editing plan, scenes, and thumbnail prompts, just type "make the full video pack." This is MoneyMaster, and I'll see you in the next video.